Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Tuesday the 11th of March. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Looking at the pound dollar first, we can see that yesterday we managed to, my previous trend line was running across here, we broke through the trend line, continued to the downside, huge downside day in the end. We're just finding a bit of support off the daily 21 here. This particular 3-bar setup is quite bearish. If we were to break the lows of this, I would expect some further downside and certainly see that monthly pivot being hit. We're still in range at the moment, and we could end up staying within range. I've got an upside target of 166.69, so there's a possibility we could run up to, it's just where my cursor is right now on this right hand side here, 166.69 area, which is just before 23, just after the 23.6% retrace. If it pushes through towards that area, we may even see a bit more of a continuation through towards the previous lows here, along with that 4-hourly 21 moving average, 100 moving average there, both pretty close together. So I'd be watching for that to the upside as resistance. If we do fail to do that, there's a possibility we could fail that. We could pull back from where we are now even. If we break the lows, I really see the monthly target, monthly pivot as a simple target, and maybe even beyond. I'll judge that as we come down to that, as into whether to be looking for a retracement or a continuation at that point. More likely a bit of a continuation down towards those prior lows there, along with that 34 moving average. Okay, looking at the euro dollar very briefly, very much an inside bar yesterday. I'm really looking here for a show of where we're going. I do have an upside target of 138.78, so that's 138.78, just above where we are. It's not very far, it's just on that upper band to the upside. Again, if we break the lows of yesterday's lows, well, we could be then on for Friday's lows, and then I would see us coming down. I've got actually a weekly pivot on here, and it could well come back down towards that sort of level, or even a bit further down. Any rally from here, if we managed to find a bit of support, which we're pretty close to doing so, if we were to find some support break through the intraday level that I just mentioned, well then I'd be looking at these other highs at around about 139. And maybe even the tops of Friday. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. Some only key news out really today is UK manufacturing production at 9:30 and the inflation report hearings. I think we've still got the Eurogroup meetings in Brussels continuing, so a mild day in terms of news today. Bye for now.